I got a 10 by 10 iron bar in the fire, and we are about to forge an axe. And you might think that a 10 by 10 is a bit little material for an axe, and that is correct. This is going to be a pendant, an axe pendant. I really enjoy making these. If you get every hit right, you can almost get it done in one heat. It's pretty straightforward, making a set down and shaping the axe. But what's fun with these are you don't have a lot of material to play with, so you will need to get every strike right. Getting closer to the desired shape. We're also gonna punch the eye like a real axe. So let's see here. In the middle. Oh, pretty good. Then I can, if I didn't get it right in the middle, I can adjust it a little bit by punching it from the other side. Let's see here. I think we're going through on this one. There we go. We got our eye punched. Now I'm just going to straighten it up. I'm happy that I do punch these. It would of course be easier to drill the eye, but a few years ago when I sold this one, an axe pendant like this, to a customer, and the customer placed a wooden handle on it, and that wouldn't have been possible if the hole was drilled. So I'm happy that I did punch that eye. Because I actually stole that idea and making my own axe pendants, similar axe to this one, but with a wooden shaft. Those are so I'm making it straight here, keeping it on my drift, and we are almost finished. I'm gonna grind grind the bevel. So I will grind the bevel and do some final adjustments and show you the results. So here we have our mighty axe. I have brushed it. I got some questions about it, how I do, what kind of finish I use on my jewelry, and I wire brush it with a wire wheel and heating it up to about 300 degrees and quenching the whole piece in linseed oil. Then it turns black and gets a coating that will prevent oxidation. So this will get its oil bath pretty soon. Thank you for sticking to the end. Be well.